picking up a property in Gurgaon. Me and my family, we were deciding how to go about it, and that was a very tedious task for us.
एक ऐसा बिल्डर्स को ढूंढ रहे थे जो हमें टाइमली पोजीशन दे.
For a person like me who really wants to stay and wants to take a home rather than in flats, for investor it might be the different.
That time we started thinking of a property wherein my parents are equally comfortable, because though we are working, we would be spending most of our time outside the society. However, for parents, for the child, it becomes a mandatory kind of thing wherein they have the ease and they have the right facility provided by the builder, so that they can at least spend their comfortable time with the security and everything.
I was looking for something which was ready to move in and a safe investment.
I was looking at a property which is in the city but yet within my budget.
Now, as a working mother, you're aware that we have to take care both of the house as well as our workplace. We have to ensure that our home life is also sorted out.
We were in Delhi. We started thinking of options where we should make our next move. Gurgaon was an obvious option, and later once we both have a family, even in terms of schools and like I said, entertainment options for the kids and all of that.
We were expecting that at least we should invest in those kind of builders who probably will give you position at the right time and good value for money, the return on the investment. So all those factors while considering, I made that investment.
यहाँ पर CHD में आने की कुछ समय तो परेशानी रहे, बोर भी रहे, लेकिन उसके बाद में आज से 6-7 महीने से तो बहुत अच्छा हमारा यहाँ पर सर्किल बना हुआ है. बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हैं. हम सुबह योगा करते हैं, घूमने जाते हैं, उसके बाद में शाम के समय हम सत्संग करते हैं और पार्टी भी करते हैं, किट्टी भी खेलते हैं और सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा एंजॉय करते हैं. बस हमें CHD में अभी तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I keep on traveling a lot, so my physical presence in CHD has been relatively low, but from the feedbacks which I get from my parents and my kids and family overall is they are enjoying here.
We were really impressed by the hospitality shown by CHD staff. They were very friendly, they were keen to answer the questions, and that made our job easy.
As for the facility provided by the CHD group, again is good. What they committed on the brochure while selling the flat to us and what they delivered in the last one, I have seen that comparing what they mentioned and what the deliverables, as per their commitment they are doing it.
In terms of trying to get a feedback from some of their other projects, not within Gurgaon but out of Gurgaon, we thought what we found was one of the key things that they had as a reputation was delivery on time. Now to go back to about a year or so, I think they have kept up their commitment.
So I'm happy to say that the aspects which I thought of at that time, so they were all fulfilled.
It's the middle segment who's paying maybe more than what their pocket allows, and they want to get into their home quickly. Apart from CHD, I have seen any other example who has done this in terms of the timely possession. That's amazing. So hats off to these guys.
After investing 2 years back, we got a position within 6 months. Quite satisfied. Mainly my parents and kids, they are enjoying here with new companies they have found here.
To our surprise, though they committed 15 months, they delivered my property to me in 12 months, which was ready for me to go into my house, get the interior done and stay there.
Overall, we've been happy with our experience with the builder. It is one of the builders who's delivered on time or relatively on time, where you hear these days of various stories of builders not sort of delivering on time.
And I was very surprised to see that they were able to honor their commitment of delivering the possession to us much before I was expecting.
As compared to most of the other builders, and I have seen so many projects before we invested here, I think CHD was the one which delivered on time.
एक हम लोगों ने लाफ्टर योगा बना रखा है, क्योंकि सेंट्रल पार्क हमारा है, वहाँ पर काफ़ी जगह है, तो हम लोग वहाँ मॉर्निंग में 5:30 और 5:45 से देन वी गो फॉर लाफ्टर योगा. दिन में हमारे क्लब है, क्लब में ये लोग जाते हैं, वो अपने प्लेइंग कार्ड्स वगैरह खेलते हैं, शाम को फिर इवनिंग वॉक करते हैं. They are all happy, I think.
We've shifted in this complex in November last year, and I must say that there have been no regrets so far. We have really enjoyed thoroughly staying here. The complex has been really clean. It's a perfect environment for my kid to be brought up.
See the club, you have proper lawn system over here. Also is yet to get into proper any dining restaurant to come over here. Gym is already operational. Every resident enjoy and they are taking part in the activities being done in the society. They are part of the club activities. To take the name of any of the extra activities you have in the other society, you have that over here and maybe something extra over here.
जो ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं वो एक फ़ोन कॉल पे है, सब मिलता है, अवेलेबल है. वेजिटेबल्स हो, डे बाय डे ग्रॉसरी एंड ऑल दैट. उसके बाद बच्चों के लिए भी काफ़ी प्ले एरिया है, फ्रेंड्स सर्कल. तो मतलब आते ही इनिशियली 1-2 वीक में ही बच्चे सेटल हो गए मेरे, तो वो एक प्लस पॉइंट था. काफ़ी उनके फ्रेंड सर्कल है, हमारे एज ग्रुप के भी काफ़ी हैं. प्लस एक इनका वॉकिंग ट्रैक काफ़ी अच्छा है, वो है, ग्रीनरी बहुत है।
I love to stay in CHD because we can do cycling anywhere. There's a lot of space, play and cycling.
And I'm happy to say that, you know, the kind of expectations I had in mind, and I wanted to say in something, a gated community, a secured society for senior citizens. If I talk about, you know, they should feel secure. So the final is, you know, I would say that my thumbs is still up for the CHD, the kind of facilities they are giving.
I give a thumbs up to CHD.
Wow!
Wow!